Prepper, and we are back with our little patch here. Turn this damn timer off that insists on ringing I don't know if it's a feature of the timer, but I swear it rings like 10 times in the last 5 minutes before the final ringer. Drives me crazy. Probably why the last person got rid of it and I picked it up for $1. But what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our big circle patches. We're going to put it over our patch area. This is the part that I always mess up, is that I always want to put the black part down, but it's this side, this orangey side, the one that's on the foil, that goes on the patch. So we don't want to get our oily little fingers on it. You have to peel the little bastard off here, which is the hardest part. Come on, you little bastard. God, this one, oh, you little fucker. Already boogered the edges on this one and it refuses to unbooger. God, that's really aggravating. Shit. Well, I might leave this patch for later then if it's gonna be a royal pain in the ass. God, how do you get these damn things off here then? Oh, you know what? I think I'm doing this wrong. I think you're supposed to go like this and leave it on the plastic and then peel the plastic off. Okay. After it's already dried, I suppose. Although that doesn't seem like a great idea either, because then God damn, these little bastards are sticky as shit. Please don't get on there. Oh, I boogerized this one too. That's phenomenal. Oh well, I don't suppose the tire will care, but kind of aggravating. Just a little bit freaking aggravating. Yeah, I have no idea how you're supposed to peel these off perfectly, but go ahead and put that on there like that. That definitely is very sticky. Now that we have that stuck down, as shown blurrily. Kind of an ugly patch, but as long as it works, don't really care. So we will take that, we will take this, make sure this is kind of flat. Let's see. Okay, you have to want to rotate that way. Oh, come on. In fact, we'll go ahead and mark like that and like that, so we can make sure you are nice and vertical. And we'll try to... God, and of course there's just a little too much air in the damn... Oh, life can never be easy, can it? I swear. I freaking swear. And I got nothing to depress the needle right now. But I guess I'll just have to wait. Alright. There's some extra pressure in here and just let that out. There we go. I don't want air to be trying to come out of this thing while the patch is drying, so you don't have to clamp it down, but I like to make sure it's nice and smudged on there, and I'll let that dry for 5-10 minutes, and then theoretically we will be good to go. All right, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.